Hello, my name is Kerry McPhail. I'm from a company called Spraying Systems. I look after New South Wales. I manage that area, and this application I'm going to talk about is in the can industry. We make nozzles to coat drums when they're manufactured in the can industry. The can industry is a high volume, low margin industry, so these drums are manufactured in very large quantities. I'm talking about, in this particular application, 20-litre drums. They go through a welding process first, where the metal is rolled into a drum, the shape of a drum, and then it's welded along the seam, and the ends are then put onto the drum, and they go through a testing station where you have mostly ladies with brushes painting a resin onto the outside of that seam, and as they paint the resin on, compressed air is put inside the drum to test if there's any leaks coming out of the weld that was made along the seam, and that resin will bubble and show any leaks. However, this is a very labour-intensive way of actually testing the drums. Having two ladies there, the drums go through it at about 26 tins per minute. So that means each lady has to paint a resin stripe down the seam and test the drum for leaks. And she has to do 13 of those per minute, which is fairly fast. There is a company we are working with to seal the welded seams on these drums with a resin, and they asked me to come in and design for them an automatic spray system where the drum would come into the station onto a rotating table. The drum would be spun around, and then the seam would be identified, and then we would have a very fast air atomizing spray gun spray the resin onto the seam, and at the same time the tin would be tested with compressed air inside to see if there's any bubbling or leaks. We would have a camera to identify if there was any bubbling. So this is a project that I'm currently working on. We don't do the complete production line, but we do the spray application in this case.